Friday, July 19th, 2024. Focus. If you had known what this means, I desire mercy and not sacrifice, you will not have condemned the guiltless. Do we prioritize religious obligations over helping those in need? Participating in rituals is certainly simpler than getting involved with others. Helping people eats into our time and delays our own projects. It requires getting our hands dirty. It is more convenient and tempting to use the blanket of excuses that the Sabbath law offers. But Jesus is more interested in the transformation of heart and mind than in the observance of external forms of religion. God is compassionate. He was moved by Hezekiah's heartfelt prayer, healed him of his terminal ailment, and added 15 years to his life. Jesus wants us also to have a compassionate heart like God's. He calls us to get out of our comfort zone and reach out in love and concern to those who need us. The focus means that sacrifice may well be important, but our priorities need to be right. Impersonal sacrifice at the cost of denying help to those in need is not acceptable to the Lord, who says, "This is rest, give rest to the weary, and this is repose." In essence, kindness is more necessary than merely following the law. Fruit. The most marginalized and most needy in our society are the migrants. Let us reach out to at least one such person in need in my locality today.